Hello everyone, happy Saturday. Me and Elfie are currently on our way to Santa Cruz, California. It's about 45 minutes away from San Jose where we live. We are going to meet up with my brother, my twin brother. I'm older by 1 minute though, so there is this dog beach, technically an on-leash beach, but everyone takes a dog off the leash. Yeah, it's really fun. There's a bunch of dogs and elephants just running in the water through the waves. And so yeah, we're on our way there. Then I'm gonna meet up with my brother at a different beach area where we are going to barbecue. Yeah, we're just relaxing. He's visiting from where he lives. That's gonna be a lot of fun. There's a lot of sunshine today, thankfully. If you guys ever get the chance to go to Santa Cruz, I definitely recommend it. There's also little beaches around it, like Capitola. That's a cute little beach town. Seascape, Aptos. There's a bunch of places here. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog. I'll probably record tomorrow as well, kind of make it a weekend vlog. I don't think I'll get much footage today. Just a few clips of Alfie running through the waves. Ryan had made plans for today, and that's why he's not coming along. It's cool to do our own thing sometimes. Fortunately, there wasn't much traffic today. I got here pretty quick. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, so we're here at the beach, hanging out. Alfie's tired. He's actually a very kind of nervous dog. He prefers people over other dogs. The beach is actually called Lighthouse Field State Beach. It's about 5 minutes from the boardwalk. So yeah, we're just hanging out. Beautiful day.
Tries to please herself too much, and I said, baby, why be this way? She tries to please herself too much, and I said, baby, why?
Hey everyone, this is my twin brother Emmanuel. Say what's up. Comment down below if you guys think we look the same. He has a little more facial hair than I do. It's been a really nice day today. My New Year's resolution for this year was to travel a lot more on my own and with Alfie. It's kind of scary sometimes to go places alone and you think you're going to be bored, but it's pretty cool actually. You pay more attention to what's around you versus talking to someone all day long, you know? Yeah, you guys should try it out. Hello everyone, it is Sunday afternoon. We've had kind of a lazy morning because we were up really late last night. We were up till like 3 a.m. playing beer pong. It was my brother and his girlfriend. Yeah, it's really nice to see him. Since we live about 2.5 hours away from each other, I don't get to see him very often, so it's always nice when he comes and visits. I am currently gonna go for a run, then I'm gonna help Ryan finish our guest bedroom / office. He is hanging up some picture frames. He's making like an art wall, an artsy wall. So I'm gonna help him finish that. And then we are going to give Alfie a bath because we went to the beach yesterday and he's all sandy. And then we have dinner plans with a couple of our friends later on. Of course, we're gonna wear masks and be safe. That's the plan so far. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Have a great Sunday. Hi everyone. So we are going to finish up the wall art. What is it called?
A gallery wall.
A gallery wall. Ryan had started it and that's what it looks like so far. And now we're gonna finish it. So this is the goal. That is going to be there. Check this one out. That is my hand and Ryan's booty.
Ed wanted me to do the final reveal. Ta-da. Kinda. There was like some that didn't make the cut. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. A couple of the ones I like are this one. And I don't know, the theme was random art that I like, but like, can't go wrong. Little Lucifer energy. I don't know, clouds and like angels was sort of like what ended up happening, but there's some cutesy stuff in there too, like some boys kissing. You know, like my daily life. That was a really sweet one. Kind of cuddling. It was fun. It was cool to like plan it all out. They're hard, but you kind of just go with the flow and just hope that it works out. We are about to give Alfie a bath, but he ran away because he's not a huge fan of it. So I'm now going to go find him.
Hey, baby. You ready?
He's like clinging to the bed.
You ready? No, down. Hey, nice and clean. Hi everyone. Hope you guys had a great weekend. It is Sunday night. We just had some wine. I'm having a cookie. Yeah, it was a great weekend. It was fun taking Alfie to the beach.
I don't know, I have nothing to add. It was nice to be home for once. Normally when we go somewhere, it was nice to just kind of chill.
Yeah, we're always doing something on the weekend, so it was nice to hang out here at home.
While social distancing.
Right.
Break rules.
Nope, we're always wearing our masks. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what kind of videos you want to watch, and we will create them. Thanks for watching. Peace.
love. Love. Peace, love, and happiness. Have a good night.